Hold right there a second, man.
I don't understand. I don't understand. It's a spatula, for sure. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, Alex is gonna die. Mom. I know. I want to get him. I'll do it. I don't understand. How long can he do?
Check out that guy. Check out that guy over there. Okay. Still, I'm. Go get You want me to take my camera up there and give him a tip?
We should do go in front of him and just take a picture with him. Of him just doing it.
Okay.
We should put this in his mouth.
Okay. You want to take a picture with him? Here.
You can very well take a picture. You want me to do anything?
Okay, you take the picture and I'll walk up next to him and be like,
You want a video or take a picture? Just give it to him.
here, wait, videotape, just hold it.
Can I
Wait,
zoom
give it
in
to
the
him
video?
his mouth?
Okay. Can I zoom in the video?
Yeah, you can zoom in.
I don't know how long he's gonna stay there for. You better hurry.
Yeah, let me go take a picture of it.
Take a picture. I love you. You're awesome. All right, now what do I do? Are we still videotaping this?
No, I think it's just gonna happen forever.
All right, I think we're done.